So, a new student of Garja Digital Academy. His name is Abdul Moeed, and we are going to ask some questions from Abdul Moeed. Hello, Abdul Moeed.
Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I am good, thank you for asking that.
Wow, nice. So, Abdul Moeed, why you are here?
My English is very weak, then I decided to learn English with you.
Wow, what an objective you have settled. Okay, so please tell me about your education.
I read in class 10.
Wow,
My
mashallah.
school name is Future Foundation School.
So, you are a student of Future Foundation School.
Yes.
Very nice. So, what are your future plans?
My future plan is pilot. I want to become a pilot.
Wow, commercial pilot or fighter jet pilot?
Commercial pilot.
Very nice. So you are going to fly a aeroplane.
Yes.
Okay. So what are your hobbies?
My hobby is gardening.
Yes, you are a gardener. So which plant is your favorite in flowers?
Rose.
What color of rose you like?
White.
White roses.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Abdul Moeed.
Thank you sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to